The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2011 through 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee WK2 model with the metal rails. So those metal rails are often chrome, but they can be painted black. There is a model with black plastic trim, and this will not fit. But if you do have this metal trim, we've installed the Rhino-Rack Vortex base rack system. This is using the Vortex Aero load bars, 50 inches in length. The RCL4, which is their low profile locking legs, the locks are included with this. And then vehicle specific fitting kit, RCP27-BK. So overall you have a weight carrying capacity of 150 pounds for this rack. And the crossbar spacing is prefixed with the factory mounting holes inside that roof rail. So this has been a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this complete system with a couple clicks, visit the link in the description below. So that's going to be it for this one, but like always, thanks for watching.